As humans, we've always wanted more. It's what keeps us creating, refining, and evolving. Technology is the driving force behind this progression. But for the past 35 years, we've been using the same design for our laptops, never realizing their full potential. And this is what we're doing here at Mobile Pixels. We're giving you the technology you need to fully reach that potential.
For any laptop user, the biggest problem is screen real estate. We have so many different things to do and not enough physical space to do it or do it efficiently. What we need is more screen space. Mobile Pixels revolutionizes the way we use our laptops. With a simple screen extension, it almost doubles your screen space. With this intuitive device, your potential is truly unleashed to use multiple windows and multitask efficiently. You can now run crucial apps that require more than one screen, all on the go.
So the idea came to me when I was at work at Amazon last year. I've always admired desktops with multiple screens, but like everyone else around me, I still worked on a laptop. I quickly realized that the efficiency was just not there. It all came down to one simple fact: I needed more screen space.
We have done countless tests gauging stability, portability, and efficiency. By combining the highest quality ABS plastic with our exclusive patent pending hinge, this screen will deliver the premium and doable experience to match any kind of lifestyles. It is powered through the laptop and weighs less than half a pound, and we tailor it to your needs, which is why it is compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux.
There is now a tool that can bring dual screen efficiency anywhere, whereas prior you only see this on desktop computers. This completely changes the way we do portable computing. Our mission has been to deliver people the tools they need to reach new heights in mobile computing. This is Mobile Pixels.